Hello everyone, welcome to our 10-minute devotional. This particular week, it's not going to be a devotional, rather it's going to be a question. And if you want to check out what was the devotion for last week, what the topic was, please go and check it out in the previous videos if you want it. And this particular week, I have one question to ask you. Am I happy? Or what is your pursuit of happiness? Your pursuit and my pursuit, you and I. And the reason I chose this question is because today, this particular day, I'm 23 years old. And we are almost 6 months into the year 2020. Half the year is done. There's only half the year left. And in this year of confusion, do you and I really feel the happiness in our lives? And if we do, how are they? Before we dive into this, let me tell you what is a happy person or what is an unhappy person. A happy person in his mind is he has the immense wealth left by his grandfather, where he has a company, where he has some money, where he has things to do. And that causes him happiness. While the another, who is unhappy, is living in a small village, uneducated, having a small land in the size of your room, working daily, in and out and in and out. Does that provide him happiness? Is your happiness based on circumstances? If you're rich or if you're poor, does that relate or does that explain your happiness? It doesn't. The material things of this life, the material things that you can see right now does not teach you happiness. Let me tell you a perfect example that happened in my life. I was 135 kilos before. This is a true story. And during this time, I felt that I had nothing in my life to do. My own self-esteem was down. And later, when I started gaining more weight, there was more depression. And when I started losing weight, I didn't think that this would be an issue for me, but then it did. Why in my mind that when I was fat, I was feeling unhappy, and when I am thin, I am not feeling unhappy? If you're seeing me right now, do you think I'm happy? Do you think any person in this world is happy? Just because I was fat, I thought there was no happiness in me. And that led me into a further state of depression or sadness. Why did I let that get over my mind? Or why did I get that control? Why did I let that take over me in my own mind? These types of things, circumstances, things of your life, the relationships that you have, him or her, they do not stipulate or they do not dictate your happiness. Your happiness comes from you. Your happiness comes from the Lord. Your happiness comes from the things that you do for the others. Not for you, not for me, for the others. When you think about another person and when you start helping that other person, happiness grows inside you. A material thing or a circumstance will not bring happiness all the time. And even in my own situation, that example that I've told you right now, it did not bring me happiness. Why did I put myself in a mental state where that I knew that I had to degrade myself and I was degrading myself? Why did I feel that way? Why did I let that feel that way? So this day, my question to you is, what is your pursuit of happiness? Do you really have something in life to be happy about? And if you are happy about something in your life right now, can you count on it? Can you publish that happiness? Do you think it's a proper or a positive happiness that you have in your life right now? And if it is a proper happiness that you have in your life right now, well and good for you, that is the best thing you can do. But when you find happiness in the negative things of your life, in the past in your life, or in the things that are put in front of you that you know are wrong, they do not provide any happiness. That is why you need the power of Christ and your own mind, your soul and body to be calm. Pray, not meditate. Pray for that happiness. Ask Him for the happiness. And if the circumstances, if the things of this world bring you happiness, it is temporary and it might fly away or it might fall away. So leave the happiness of this world. And this day, you and I, are we happy? Or are we in the pursuit of happiness? Did we find the happiness or are we still searching for it? Is it a good one or is it a bad one? It is you to decide. It is for you to decide. So I put this question in front of you. What is your pursuit of happiness? Please tell me. Thank you for your time, people. Until we meet again for a next devotion.